Billy. That beard's looking good out there, Billy. Beard's coming in nice. Both catching up on the pipe. Randy going to hold it on the pipe right there. Alright, everybody counted. Let's just want to do like 5 restarts for fun. Everyone getting some space between themselves right now. This is going to be a long race right here. Like Matt in the lead, Randy Horn in second, Carl in third, Randy Dozier in fourth, Tim in fifth. Leader across the line right there, Matt Smith, coming across with a 26.79. Not too much action on the track. Matt in the lead, Randy in second, Carl in third, Randy Dozier in fourth, Tim in fifth. Currently, 2 minutes into this race. On the running orders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Randy with a couple little bobble right here by the berm. That's going to allow Matt to start stepping it out a little bit. Matt's starting to put a lap down. Tim, that's your leader right there coming up on you. Matt Snake coming right now, right in front of the driver's stand, coming on a double. Single, into the berm stand, hard left, coming across the line right now is Matt Snake. Keep it calm, Matt, keep it smooth, coming down the back straight right there, a little bit of bobble going wide. Matt Snake still in your lead. Coming through the center roller section right there, working his way to the center of the track. Currently, 2 minutes into this race. On the running orders, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right there, Randy Dozier. You don't have to let them by, but it might help all of you. I don't know. Man. Randy Horn and Matt's truck look way too alike. Currently, 4 minutes into this race. And the running orders, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5. Battle is in between Matt and Randy. Currently Matt in the lead. Randy is all over him. Dicing it back and forth between 1 and 2. Currently Matt and Randy. Matt and Randy on the hard left coming working the center of the track. Both fast to the center infield right there. Randy going through the inside, taking it, tangling. Marshall's in the center right there. Pretty well even on that one. I think Randy is an ugly black green looking truck. And Matt is the other ugly green looking truck. Sorry, did I say that out loud? I meant you guys were beautiful. Looking like Randy in the lead. Matt in second. Coming across the line right now. Randy Horn in second. Matt in second. Randy Horn in third. Matt in second. Carl in third. Just over halfway, driver. Just over halfway. Randy Horn looking to pull a double. He won that last stadium truck race. Randy's definitely putting some distance between that now. Randy coming across right in front of the driver's stand. That's the leader right there. Nice little double into the inside berm. Matt's going to double. Matt's going to the inside berm. 4 minutes left, drivers. 4 minutes left.
And it's into this race. And the running order is 2, 1, 2, 4, 5.
Still a lot of racing left. Matt can reel Randy back in. You have to deal with some lap traffic right here. Randy Horn across the line. Randy Horn coming in with a 26.79. Matt coming across with a 27.69. Just over 3 to go, drivers. Just over 3 to go. Let's see if Matt Snake can reel in Randy. Randy was about 4 seconds on Matt. 3 to go, drivers. We got 3 to go.
Currently 7 minutes into this race. And the running order is 2, 1, 3, 4, 5.
Matt is about a corner and a dog leg away. Randy Horn coming across the line right now. Matt's right in front of the driver's stand. That's first and second. Second place coming across the line. Matt's starting to reel in Randy ever so slightly. We got 2.5 to go, drivers. 2.5. If Matt's going to make it happen, he needs to make it right now. Randy with a nice bobble. That's going to allow Matt to roll him in. Randy and Matt to the center of the track. Coming across the front of the driver's stand right now. Randy with a double. Matt with a double. Randy follows it. Matt's going to take over the lead. Matt across the line. Randy across the line. Just over 2 to go, drivers. Just over 2 to go. Matt was able to reel in Randy Horn. This is going to be a battle all the way to the end. 2 minutes to go, drivers. 2 minutes to go.
Currently 8 minutes into this race. And the running order is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right now is your leader, Matt. Second place, Randy, right behind him. Anything can happen. Randy rolling it, putting on his lead. That's going to allow Matt to walk away with it. Just over a minute and a half. Let's see if Randy can pull that back. One bottle changes everything. Minute and a half to go, drivers. Minute and a half to go. Now the little bobble still coming across the line. Now he has about 4 seconds on Randy. That's starting to spread out that lead right there. He's not going to let Randy get a double. He said, sorry, buddy, you got me on that last one. You're not getting it this time. Minute to go, drivers. Minute to go. Out in the lead, Randy Horn in second, Carl in third, Randy Dozier in fourth, Tim Court in fifth. Matt's fastest lap at 25.69, Randy at 25.34, Carl at 27.49, Randy at 26.94, Tim at 27.69. Leaders are slightly faster than the mid pack. 30 seconds to go, drivers, 30 seconds to go. Matt Snag with a nice lead. Matt Snake coming across the back line, straight right there. Second place, just crossed the line. boys, that's time. Race to the line, race to the line. Randy, you're done. Congratulations, Matt, taking the first place.